Okay, so now we go to CD desktop and then CD T03 here, and then we're gonna CD that demo code. Then we're gonna node server.js as running, so we copy the link over here and we go to the Chrome, and here's the thing, and you can see the I like JavaScript thing is changing colors. And now we type in sister golden hair, then you're gonna show the words, like the content in the song. And here is the problem 4, which is the name of the song. And then we can try another one, brown-eyed girl. Then we use submit fetch, which is the problem 5, and it shows exactly the same thing. And here's my code. So this is the handle submit button, and it's built on the original code. And here's the submit. I named the handle submit button with fetch, so I only changed it to using fetch and then .zen and then .catch, because that is what I learned from W3 school. And the rest will be exactly the same thing. And that's pretty much my tutorial problem.